Hello, I've just unboxed a laminator. It's here, this is it. We have stuff to laminate, so we needed to laminate the stuff. So you have to buy a laminator. So we got it on Amazon. So plug it in. It can laminate hot or cold.
Okay.
But I've never laminated cold, so you switch it on.
That's hot, yeah?
Onto hot, and then you have to wait for the smiley face to go green. Then it's ready to laminate. Okay. You'll see it in a minute.
Okay.
There's an instruction book that tells you what to do and what the pieces are, what the parts are, and how to do the laminating. And it's in different languages, so English, German, French, Italian, blah blah blah. It also came with a corner cutter, so you can cut the corners to make them rounded so they're not sharp. It also comes with a paper cutter, so what you can do is, when you have something that you need to laminate, like a school certificate for your daughter or your son, you put it in the paper cutter and then you just cut it, slide the cutter, and it will take the edge off so that it fits nicely into the pouch. This particular model also came with a load of clips and a couple of picture frames, so if you do some you can hang them and tie them across the wall. So when you're laminating, there's different sizes. This is A5. A4 is obviously twice the size of this, but whenever you use a laminating pouch, always open it up and always put your document right to the end of the pouch, making sure that you have space all the way around. And then when it's green, you push it into the machine and the machine will take it away for you, but you must always put the sealed piece first. Never put it in that way round, never put it in that way at diagonal, always put it in with the sealed piece going in first. So now we're just waiting for it to go green and then we'll stick it in. Hello you.
I'm ready for school, Daddy.
Are you?
Yeah.
It's not open today, it's Sunday.
I'm just pretending.
Are you just pretending? Did you find Rocky? No. No. You didn't look very hard. Did you look in your drawer by your bed? It was in your bedroom last night. I saw it on your bedside cabinet.
Who took it and put it somewhere?
I don't know. Perhaps somebody hid it.
It must be you, Daddy.
It wasn't me. I haven't been in your bedroom. You've got a sign on your bedroom says no boys allowed. So don't blame me. Right, I need another pouch.
Have a look.
Because I have 2 certificates. Georgie got 2 certificates from school. So we want to laminate them so we can keep them. There's the other one. It's a bit creased because it got a bit wet.
Yeah.
So let's put that one in there. Ba, 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 ba. And we're still waiting.
It takes time to make green, no?
Oh, well, I've never used it before, so...
Ah, it's green now. It's a smiley, look.
Oh yeah, I couldn't see it because I was sat down here. Right, okay. There's a smiley. Right, ready? Here we go. And just let it go and it will come out the other side. It's very quiet.
Only you is very noisy.
Sorry?
Only you is noisy.
How am I noisy?
You're talking.
You asked me to.
Looks good.
See how the colour is enhanced
Change, yeah.
compared to the original.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's
Pull
right.
it out like this.
Pull it out.
And then now we
it sealed?
have a sealed laminated certificate, which she can use blue tack and stick it on the wall. I'll just put the other one in. I'm very pleased with that. That's very good.
So is this the one that you said that you forget, you have something to check online?
No.
Daddy, I couldn't see her
Look,
day
there's your certificate.
off. Daddy, I couldn't see her day off.
Okay, I'll come and help you in a minute. Let me finish doing this laminated.
Oh, it's just, it just makes it hot.
No, it makes it inside, so it's not paper. So if you spill something on it, it doesn't get damaged.
Oh, I'll test that out.
And also, you can put blue tack on it and stick it on the wall like this. Go and stick that on the wall, like that. Go
Did
on.
you already did it
Look,
today?
No,
look.
it's other way around.
Doesn't matter. It was just a test. Look,
Ah,
see, you stick it on the wall. Dun, dun, dun.
Oh. Can you
Finish.
pick it up?
guys.
Right. So
I
what,
would build
what
something
did you
on
get
it.
these two certificates? You got this one for demonstrating responsibility. Wait, I'm talking to you. You got this one for showing your Boseland brilliance on your school trip. And then you got this one for showing great independent skill and showing that you can always be relied upon to help others. That's a wonderful thing, Georgie. Teamwork, pride, achievement, enjoyment, and responsibility. Lava girl. Okay, thank you.